It's time for another exciting episode of Inside Nathan's Head.
Arte! Yes, Simon! There's a package here at the door for you. It's a very large package, so I don't think we can bring it in. Oh, that must be the new lawnmower. New... what? The new lawnmower. Yes, it's the Lawnmower EXTREME. Yes, it's got an optional Zamboni attachment for when you're wanting to ice skate in the wintertime. Or play hockey. One or the other. Anyway, I ordered it, and it's only 7 easy payments. 70... oh, don't tell me how much this thing cost. I won't. The Lawnmower EXTREME. Yes! It's going to be wonderful summer. I'm looking forward to it. This thing's huge. Where are we going to park it? I also ordered the optional garage. Oh my.